Hello and welcome to Q's Basic Cooking and Life. Friends, today I'm going to show you one of my one-pot meals. This one I'm going to make with 6 drumsticks, 4 potatoes, and 4 carrots, and some green onion, peppers, bell peppers, and jalapeno peppers or cilantro, stuff like that for garnish. So let's get started. What I did is I have washed and dried the chicken. It's right over there in the back. I have 4 peeled carrots already, trying to save some time. I have 4 potatoes already peeled and soaked. I don't want their color to be changed. And I have oregano, I have red pepper flakes, and I have salt. That's all the spices that we need. In case we need something else, you can substitute with paprika, you can use some black pepper or some other things. So let's get started with the chicken. I'm slashing just a slash here and a slash there, just like that, so the spices can absorb and it can cook faster. Okay, so a little bit of garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt, just use garlic paste. I'm going to use less salt, so I'm going with garlic salt, sprinkled a generous amount, oregano, red pepper flakes, and half a teaspoon of salt. This is pretty much eyeballing how much you want, how much spice you want. There is no measurement for this recipe, no measurements. Just, use your better judgment, how much you want. This is Goya season. It's a seasoning mix. It's very good flavor. It's not high in sodium, so I'm going to use that one. Actually, I'm going to use 2 of the packets. There you go. It will give you kind of a tandoori look and a little bit of tangy taste. It's pretty good actually. Paprika is optional. You see, I have red pepper flakes, so I'm not using paprika. But if you can't handle hot peppers, go with paprika and black pepper powder. We like it hot here, so I'm going to use. Alrighty, so let me put my gloves on and rub, rub-a-dub-dub. Rub. Both sides, all the spice. Don't let anything go wasted. The spice went on the cutting board, so I'm just going to rub it over. There you go. It's already looking good. Take your gloves off. Always make sure you don't touch the glove. You take one off like that without touching it. And then take 2 of your clean fingers. Hold this one in your hand. Insert 2 fingers in this glove, right in there, and turn it over. There you go. Both hands clean, and you did not contaminate any fingers, anything. So, okay, that was a trick I learned during the job years. Alrighty, 4 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil that you use. And just make sure chicken is marinated properly, coated with spices, all sides. Let's check the oil. Looks pretty good. Okay. Those tiny little things are floating, so that means it's ready. Let's add the chicken. There you go. So after turning the chicken को turn करने के बाद we are going to cover it and we are going to let it cook on medium to low for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will add the potatoes. 10-15 मिनट के बाद हम इसमें आलू ऐड कर देंगे. Okay, so while the chicken is cooking, let's cut some potatoes. Potato काट लेते हैं. जितनी देर में चिकन जो है वो पक रहा है. तो उसके लिए मेरे पास ये वाली नाइफ़ है जो क्रिंकल कट होती है. मैं देखती हूँ कि मैं कैसे काटूँ. ये देखें, ठीक है. आपने इस साइज़ में पोटैटो को काटना है. ठीक है, इस साइज़ में आप पोटैटो को काट रहे हैं। तो अब इसमें पोटैटोज़ को काटेंगे, कैरेट्स को काटेंगे। चॉपिंग वाली नाइफ नहीं है, आपने इसको सिर्फ प्रेस डाउन करना है। यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रेस इट डाउन एंड योर पोटैटोज विल बी क्रिंकल कट। ठीक है, तो हमें 2 पोटैटोज चाहिए हों, 4 पोटैटोज चाहिए हों। वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल रेसिपी, यूज़ व्हाट यू वांट एज मच एज यू वांट। ठीक है, 2 पोटैटोज हो गए। ये देखें, अगर आप 4 लोगों के लिए बना रहे हैं तो 4 पोटैटोज, अगर 2 लोगों के लिए बना रहे हैं तो 2 पोटैटोज। यू कैन डू द सेम विद द कैरेट्स। Alright guys, so the chicken is almost done, more than halfway done. I'm going to pile it up. Just pile it up, make room for the potatoes. Let's make some room for them potatoes. आलू के लिए जगह बनाइए, चिकन को दरमियान में पाइल अप कर दें, आलू के लिए जगह बनाएं। फिर आप पोटैटोज़ के जो स्लाइसेस हैं उनको लेके पैन की दीवार के साथ खड़ा करें, उसके जहाँ जहाँ जगह बनती है वहाँ पे लगाते जाएं। और I'm saying is take the potatoes and just insert them wherever you find room. Make them stand, make them lay back with the pan, whatever way you can fit the potatoes in, fit them in. They are going to be cooked in the steams. There you go. Potatoes are piled up. अब गाजर डालें, carrots डालें. Carrot, time to add the carrots to it. I love one-pot meals, guys. They are so delicious and flavorful. And then let's add some antioxidant properties. That's red pepper and yellow pepper. जितना कोई वेजिटेबल ब्राइट कलर का होता है उतना हमारी सेहत के लिए वो अच्छा होता है। एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं जो हमारे जिस्म के अंदर से हार्मफुल मादों को निकालते हैं। तो इसलिए अपनी ये देखें, मेरे पास ऑरेंज है, कैरेट्स एंड येलो पेपर्स एंड रेड पेपर्स। सो ये सारे कलर्स की वेजिटेबल्स जो हैं शार्प कलर्स की बहुत मुफीद होती हैं। एंड ऑल्सो इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी प्रीटी। देखिएगा कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है ना। तो आप इसी तरह किया करें इसको। ओके गाइस, सो आई एम क्रशिंग सम कोरिएंडर सीड्स। धनिया के कुछ जो साबुत धनिया है उसको पीस के मैं डाल रही हूँ। और साबुत धनिया के साथ मैंने डाला है गार्लिक पाउडर, गार्लिक सॉल्ट जो है मेरे पास था वो मैंने डाला है। ब्लैक पेपर डाली है उसके ऊपर, और उसके ऊपर मैंने डाला है ड्राई धनिया डालें, ज़ीरा डालें, cumin seeds, dry coriander seeds, garlic salt, and then let's make some garnish. You can add if you want to add some black pepper or whatever else you like, so you can do it. Let's make some garnish. Green onions, jalapeno peppers are totally optional, guys. They are hot. If you don't like too much heat in your food, don't add them. So jalapeno peppers are sliced. Let's squeeze some lemon, half lemon on top of the potatoes and chicken के ऊपर lemon squeeze किया है. Place the green chilies, the jalapeno pepper. Like I said, it's optional. अगर आपको हीट अच्छी नहीं लगती ज़्यादा तो आप ये तेज़ मिर्च जो है वो यूज़ ना करें. हरा प्याज डालें ऊपर, ग्रीन अनियंस, सिलांट्रो धनिया होता है, फ्रेश धनिया को सिलांट्रो बोलते हैं. तो सिलांट्रो के लीव्स जो हैं वो भी आप ऊपर डालें और उसको दम पे रख दें. So let's leave it for another 4-5 minutes. Then add some cheese. Let's add some cheese. Mixed cheese I'm adding. You can use whatever you want. We have a piece of chicken. We have another piece of chicken coming up with potatoes and carrots and peppers and more potatoes. So good. This is so delicious. You cannot say no to it. And if you make it once, you will want to make it over and over. And please do let me know what you think about my one-pot meal chicken and potatoes. please do let me know. I will wait for your comments. And we're trying to keep it healthy. Like I said, we try. In my family, we are not health nuts. We are not too big on healthy, but we try. And that's what we're trying to do, is try to eat a little bit healthy every day. So I will take it closer so you can see what we have over there. Alright, yes guys, so my 1 pot cheesy meal, yummy. We have the chicken. It has a little bit of yummy spices and oregano, and then I have potatoes, and I can show you how nicely the potatoes are done. ये देखिए potatoes कितने अच्छे बन गए हैं और chicken कितना अच्छा बन गया है. इसको ऐसे करके देखना है, रोटेट करके देखना है. हर तरफ से चिकन भी बहुत अच्छा सा पका हुआ. चिकन is cooked perfectly nicely, and so are the potatoes and the carrots and the peppers and everything. So I'll see you guys with another recipe. Let me know what you think about this. Before I start eating, let me put the fork down. Alrighty guys, I'll see you with another recipe soon. And you can call it healthy because you know we didn't use too much oil, we didn't use too much butter, we just had few tablespoons of oil to cook the whole meal. And it's pretty much in the bottom, you know. Let me see, let me show you. You see, if there was any oil, it's right there in the bottom. So the food is pretty good, you know. There you go. So please let me know what you think about it. Share if somebody wants to eat a little bit healthy and yummy at the same time, because healthy does not mean bland, boring food. Healthy can be yummy too. So share it with your friends and family if somebody needs it, and I'll see you soon with another recipe. And here we go, my plate is ready. Oh, don't tell me it's not looking good. It's so good and yummy and flavorful, and smell is amazing. And bye, I gotta eat now. I'll see you later. Bye. Love is.